Hello everyone, Alok Mishra here again. I'm coming up with the next video of mine related to the shortcut tricks of the mathematics which we encounter in our day-to-day life. These tricks are not useful only for our day-to-day life, but it is also applicable in any of the entrance exams that we are going to appear, be it at the school section, be it at the college section, or any entrance exam post your graduation. So this trick is all about finding the square root of a number, that is to find the square root of number which is a perfect square. So when I am discussing this particular trick, one thing you can very much be relaxed that we don't have to mug up the square of all the numbers or square root of all the numbers. I'll give you a trick. So let's learn it in a very simple and easy way without the actual calculation. That is, the actual calculation what we have been learning so far, the long division method and the factorization method. In the entrance exams, we run short of the time. We cannot go for the prime factorization method or the long division method. So over there, such kind of tricks are very handy to find the solution. So what the number is, I'll be going ahead with an example and then you will be able to understand it in an easier way. Let's take a number. Let the number be 6869. What is the first step that we have to follow is we have to take or we have to break this number starting from right and moving towards left. I have to break it in pair. That is, I have broken down this number in two parts, that is 68 and I beg your pardon, this is 6889. So I have broken down this number into two parts, 68 and 89. Now what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 9. Now think of the two numbers whose square is 9. So the two numbers, that is step 1, the number ending with 3 or 7 are the numbers whose square will be ending with 9. 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49. 49 means what is the unit digit? 9. Yes. Now go ahead, moving on to step 2. I have to look for the number whose square is less than the square whose square is less than the other digits, that is other half. Okay, come to this number. What is the number? 68. Okay, the nearest number that I can think of is 8 square, which is equal to how much? 64. Now what are the two possibilities of finding the number square root of 6889? We had written the unit digits as 3 and 7. Now the two possibilities that I am coming around is either it can be 83 or it can be 87. If it is a perfect square, and that's what our condition was. That is, we are finding the square root of a number which is a perfect square. Okay, so we have come down to two numbers, 83 and 87. Now we have to identify which is the correct answer. And how do I go ahead with this? Either the answer can be 83 or answer can be 87. So to do so, what I will be doing is, the number what we had taken was 8. So I will be multiplying 8 and 9. What is 8 into 9? 72. Okay. Now, is 72 greater than 68? Or you can say 68 is less than 72. Yes, right? Okay. So 68 and 72. Now these are the two numbers which will be helping us to identify out of these two numbers, 83 and 87, which is a perfect square. Now as 68 is less than 72, 68 is less than 72, therefore out of the two numbers, so let me write down, the lesser of 83 and 87 is the answer. So which is less? 83 is less. So I can say 6869 is equal to 83. Yes, you are right. Okay, let's take one more example to this. Let the number be 4624. Okay, so what we had done in the previous question, we had broken down the number into pair forms. We have the numbers 46 and 24. So what is the unit digit? 4. Now this 4 can be the square of the numbers ending with 2 or 8, right? Okay. Now, what is the other part? The other part is 46. So, what we have to do? We have to think of a number whose square is less than or closer to this. So, left hand side, 6 square is equal to 36. 7 square is 49. So, we cannot go ahead with this. The square should be less than this number. So 6 square is 36. Yes. Now 36 is less than 46. Right. So what are the two numbers, possible two numbers whose square root will be, whose square will be 4624 or the square root of 4624? The possible two numbers are either it will be 62 or it will be 68. The possible two numbers are 62 or 68. Now, to verify, I am going to multiply number 6 with its next number, that is 6 into 7, 42. What next? Is 42 less than 46? 42 is less than 46, or I can say 46 is greater than 42. Therefore, greater of 62 and 68, that is 68 is the right answer. It's very easy to calculate just because I'm explaining each and every step. That's the reason it's taking time. Otherwise, it's very simple to understand. Simply 4624. The answer is 68. Let's go ahead with one example. 1521. I'm going fast with this step now. Broken down 15, 21, 1, ending with a square of 1 or 9. Now what is 3 square? 15. 3 square is 9 and this 3 square is less than 15. Lesser of the two. So what are the two possibilities? Either I can have the number 31 or I can have 39. Conditions I have to check. 3 into 4, 12, 15, that is this part I am talking. 15 is greater than 12, therefore greater of the two numbers, greater of 39 and 31, which is greater number? 39. Therefore 39 is the right answer. So I can simply say that square root of 1521 is equal to 39. That's all for this video. Stay tuned. Do like my channel, subscribe to my channel for the further updates. Do like, subscribe for the further videos. Thank you.